Yeah, don't say anything. Is Dad coming?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, another nice whitefish. I think it's a big one, Casper. I'll tell you, I can see it through the hole. No, I can't see him, he's over there. Hold up. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one.
Where are the other ones?
Patrick, go see where Dad is. Is he far?
Go. Yeah, no, he's right there.
Go get him, Alex. Run to him. Ooh. That's a big one.
Oh, whoa.
Is your drag loose?
Yeah.
Go tell him right now. Go get him. Alex, tell him to come.
Oh, wow, it's nice.
Is he coming?
It's a nice one.
Oh, Casper. Oh, it's a nice one. Holy. Go get it. Buddy, go tell him to come.
It's right there.
Okay, hold on, I got this. It's a nice one.
There he is.
Wait. Someone hold the GoPro. Give the GoPro to him.
Oh.
Hold it in your hand. Point at the hole. Drop it.
I'd never do that.
Don't touch it, just because you make that weird noise.
Casper, is that perch?
Here he is.
Oh my god.
You watch out. Okay, slowly. Take your time.
Quiet. No. Yeah!
Hold the GoPro. To są 3. On ma już 2. Nice whitefish on Lake Simcoe. Watch your rod. You're gonna break it.
What a monster.
Pretty sure I have a nice whitey on.
Oh my god. Meeks?
Look at that perch.
So the big ones are taking the meeks. You gonna keep that one?
I'm recording, right?
Yeah.
Another perch.
Kill him.
Pull that cord out.
I got it. It's a tuna, boy! It's a whitey.
Oh, yes.
Is it herring? No.
Yeah, it's a big herring.
Exactly. It's
Herring down there.
In front of that.
You get it?
Yep. That was quick. Oh my god, they're not inhaling it. By the way.
You know how many bites I'm having, man?
Bad. Big. My other rod. Double. I got double. No, my other rod's hooked too.
What are these?
Big herring. I got one of my other rod.
Just finished moving spots. Other spot wasn't working out too well, just moved a few feet shallower. Let's see how it works. Alright, just finished setting up. One problem is forgot the ice scoop at home, so I'm gonna have to use my hands. Make sure to leave the heater on. It's not gonna come through the hole, Petty. What is that? Is that gonna be able to fit through the hole?
I don't know.
Careful, Petty. Reel, don't lose tension, You catch the weeds, Petty.
Small one. Good night.